Hey guys, so I believe Nifty is giving a almost flat opening, and yesterday it closed at 25,069, and today it has opened almost at the same point. So we'll be carrying out today's live trading for Nifty 50 expiry. Let's see how does it open for the first 15 minutes and what is the situation like at 0930 hours. We'll keep you guys updated. See you at 9:30. So the previous month high has been around 25,153, and yesterday's high as well as previous week high was 25,139. So these two key levels we'll keep in mind, and they will also play a major part in today's expiry. I think for the first half, Nifty might stay bullish. By bullish, I mean it will stick around 25,000 to 25,050, and in the second half, it might give us some jitters. So this 25,000 and 25,150. This looks a good range for today's expiry. So Nifty is about to open. Let's see what are the strikes looking like. So as of now, we have added 25,000 onto the lower side, 25,150 to the upper side, 24,950 cup put and 25,200 cup call. We'll take a call जैसे Nifty. You have to be dynamic. तो Nifty जितना dynamic रहेगा, उतना dynamic अपने को रहना है. So 25,100. Okay. And with this flat opening, it has almost crushed the premiums which were there yesterday. कल closing के time पे जो premiums थे, they have been almost crushed. I think we'll have to keep under observation 25,050 as well. Sorry guys, side by side live trade भी चल रहा है तो there is some disturbance. So far so good. We have made a low of 2572 and high around 2511. I think for today 100 points should be a good buffer to stay away from spot. 100 point की दूरी ठीक रहेगी. 2550 is trading around 1820 and 25,150 is around 2425. For the time being, I'm slightly biased towards 25,000 put and 25,200 call. Let's plot them. I think for today's live trading, better execution, I'll monitor the positions through desktop and place the orders through mobile. Coordination अच्छा रहेगा उससे. So we're at 924. Spot is at 116. 924 means the time. Spot is at 114. नहीं यार, don't break below that. The last Sensex expiry, risk to reward was so good. And this time this Nifty is opening and rapid up move is crushing the premiums. निफ्टी क्या करके मानेगी, बेबी मरवा के मानेगी. ओ मितवा तुझको क्या डर है रे, ये धरती अपनी है. तोड़ दिया वो इसने जो मैं सोच रहा था. put, we have placed our order. Towards call also, I think we'll place in a bit. Yep, so we are good to go. Put as well as call side, we have placed our orders. Let's see how does it pan out. Let us refresh this page so that orders are visible. Sorry guys for the mix-up. All those are live, all those will be watching this video later, the edited version. But अभी के लिए दोनों साइड concentrate करना पड़ रहा है. We are not going too oversized because it's a demonstration only. That is why we are demonstrating only with a single lot. Idea is not to make profit for me. Idea is to show how a proper live trade is done. So idea is not to generate the profit. Idea is to only carry out the demonstration as to how live trade is done with a single lot. So we have been filled towards our put side, I guess. Yes. And now is the time to put a safety cap on top of it. So guys, good news is finally we have booked our monthly swing trade of Page Industries, and I think we have clocked almost. So the good news is we have booked, I was saying that we have booked Page Industries, and I think we have clocked almost, I think 2.5% over shayad, if I'm not wrong. It's almost 2.8%, and we were there in this trade for some 11 days, 12 days. वो बाद में देखेंगे यार. Let's focus on live trade. A moment, what a moment. Guys, just see the strength. Just see the strength. What kind of movement we have witnessed in the second candle, and if it survives above 25,140, 25,150 on a 15-minute time frame, आज bullish है boss फिर. But I think because there are two resistance level, it should retrace a bit. If it retraces, we'll get our entry in call as well. Even if we don't get filled towards call side, but I'll try and pyramid the put side. So far so good. Strength is there, and here we go. Good. Never go against the market. If market is saying कि बेटा आज मैं बॉस हूँ and I'm going to run, तो कॉल साइड पंगा लेना क्यों यार. अपना आराम से दिन के 500,000 बनाओ. Be stay quiet. Disclaimer again, I'm not a financial advisor, SEBI registered financial advisor. This is only for education purpose. My own trades are not for the, my go-to trades are not in the expiry. I generally do swing trading somewhere varying from 15-20 days to a month. This is only for the demonstration purpose. कि भाई ट्रेड इन्वेस्टर चैनल को तुमने इतना लाइटली ले रखा है, उसको इतना लाइटली मत लो. पता सब कुछ है, सारी चीज़ के प्रॉज और कॉन्स कहाँ पे क्या है, बट इट इज जस्ट दैट आई डोंट वांट टू एक्सप्लोर दैट साइड. It is better to stick with swing trading. This F&O वाला ये जो speculation है, that is only for the demonstration purpose which I'm showing, because there are people, there are retailers को क्या चाहिए, उनको चाहिए सस्पेंस ड्रामा. जब तक वो एड्रेनलिन रश नहीं मिलता, कुछ ना कुछ तो करना है. अब ड्रीम 11 भी बंद हो गया है, तो कहाँ जाएंगे, क्या करेंगे. F&O में आएंगे, F&O में लुटाएंगे. तो वो इस चीज़ के लिए है, जस्ट फॉर द डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन पर्पस, दिखाने के लिए, विद अ सिंगल टिक एंड अ सिंगल लॉट. हाँ यार, ऐसे किया जा सकता है. अगर तुम्हें करना ही है तो डू इट द राइट वे. So the strength is back, and if it's giving a closing above 150, 160, it means आज थोड़ा bullish है, and we are filled on to the put side for the second strike as well, that is 25,050. I saw an opportunity and taken a calculated risk regarding this. So guys, I hope you're able to witness the strength. This is the importance of understanding levels, and always keep a calculated risk to reward, because although Nifty is trying to show the strength above 25, 140, 25, 150, but you never know. This might be a trap, and as soon as in this second session it decides कि नहीं अब trap करना retail इसको, it might come like this. You never know. So you have to keep your guards on all the time. You have to keep your guards up all the time. You never know. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा अगर ऐसे आए तो. बट ठीक है, अपन ने छोटी सी पिरामिड की है टुवर्ड्स पुट साइड, बिकॉज सम सिग्नल्स ऑफ strengths were visible. So what we did, 25, 50 का put, 50 can a calculator is to reward. Our call side orders are still pending, but for that Nifty has to give a major reversal. Only then will be filled in the call side. At least ये वाला जो strength है 140, 150 वाला, इसको तोड़ के नीचे आना पड़ेगा. If after this consolidation, ये वाली जो consolidation है, if after this consolidation Nifty goes like zoom back, that will be the best case scenario for us. Best case scenario for us. Although will not be filled towards call side, but the put side would have melted quite a bit. So guys, जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, 25, 150 का लेवल अगर रीटेस्ट होता है and it comes back to this 140, 139 वाला strength, ये जो डिमांड जोन है, that will be very critical. As of now, I am expecting that this is a retracement after a move from the morning, जिसमें almost 109 points का मूव दिया था निफ्टी ने. So let's see if 150, 140 is retested. Surprise for the entire market will be in case expiry is at this place, yesterday's closing 25.70, होगा surprise. Guys, since निफ्टी थोड़ा एक्शन दिखाएगा, it will retrace back around 139, 140 के आसपास तो आएगा ही. Meanwhile, we have also booked our page industry, so we'll have to look for some other content that what can we sell. इन्फी का देखना पड़ेगा. पेज इंडस्ट्री इज आउट. So Infi around 1500 and 1400, 1440 looks a good strike. What kind of premiums are available? So guys, as we had appreciated, Nifty is trying to take support at 25,150 and then again research. Important level to see will be 25,181 के ऊपर का survival. If it sustains about 25,181 on a 15-minute time frame, that will be the best case scenario. So guys, this is the power of pure price and action. What did we tell you? 25,180 के ऊपर ऐसी strength आएगी, and same thing happened. Nifty is exactly following what we had appreciated in the morning. Pure price and action. Pure price action move. Nothing can be better than this. Pure price action movement. Nifty to KO. We could have taken another trade, but I didn't want to increase the risk. Otherwise, 2,500. It would have been a good risk to reward at 8. We'll try and enter if it comes around 10. So what we are going to do, I'm planning if 25,100 put comes around 8, we'll enter and we'll exit 25,000 put. Because if we see the adjustment theory के हिसाब से, if this 25,200 has to enter its day high, opening bar high, then एक सडन नीचे का मोमेंट तो आना चाहिए. और निफ्टी में काफ़ी स्ट्रेंथ दिख रही है. अगर निफ्टी एक बार ऐसे यहाँ को आता है, so let's see, calculating the proper risk to reward. We have placed a sell order at 25,100. Let's see if we get filled. If we are filled in 25,100, we'll square off 25,000 put. And guys, it has started raining heavily. बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. So if you found my voice a bit disturbing, beg your pardon. सात तक का तो एक जग देना चाहिए. 7. अगर हम 7 पे फिल होते हैं यहाँ पे, तो इसका SL नीचे लाना पड़ेगा. So guys, these are the orders as of now, which are running. And this is how the position looks like. See you guys in a while. Guys, so what we just did is that we took a calculated risk, and we have been filled at 25,100 also. I'll show you the position, what it's looking like. Live trading, guys, can see on the desktop monitor for the video which is being recorded. You can see this 25-100 put, which has been filled at 7. So let's see how it goes. Like, so far so good. Let's see. These are the page industry we have booked today, and Nifty 25,000 put we have been traded out at 2.5. Stay with us. We'll keep you updating. So guys, after giving us some jerks and shaking out a few SLs, Nifty is still hovering around 177. 25-180 level, I think it should hold. And let us check what is the state like for our positions. 25,000 put have been booked. 25-100 and 25-50 put, both are fine as of now. I think this is time to secure 25-50 put. Let's see if we can do something about it. I think 25-250 call can be entered around 4. $25.50 will secure around 1. And 25-250, we are taking a chance of 25-250 call. If we get filled around 4, that will be a good risk to reward. Because guys, 25-200 and 25-250 is a major hurdle if Nifty has to show its recovery, a decisive recovery. कल जो आई थिंक परसों जो वीकली एनालिसिस डाला था उसमें हमने आप लोगों को बताया था ऑलरेडी. $25-200 call will be slightly risky because I'm expecting expiry either at 150 or 200. So as option seller अपना काम किया, अपना काम है थोड़ा सा दूर रहना, जरा सा दूर रहना बस. So that is what we are expecting. एक छोटा सा मूव अगर आता है towards 180-190, we might get filled on to 25-250. I think we might have to look for 25-150 put also. Time ऐसा लग रहा है. If you are filled at 25-200 call, I'm planning to enter 25-150 put as well. In that case, oops, ये क्या हो गया? 18, okay. So somewhere around 20 can be our SL in that case. गाइस, आप लोगों को सारे ऑप्शन चार्ट्स आई थिंक इसके साथ साथ नहीं दिख रहे होंगे बिकॉज आई एम कैरिंग आउट लाइव ट्रेड एज वेल. तो जो डेस्कटॉप वर्जन है इन द लाइव ट्रेड, ऑप्शन चार्ट्स आर विजिबल ओवर देयर. I think instead of increasing the risk on to 25-150, 2500 will be a better option. So guys, we have removed our risk. 25-50 put we have already booked, and 25,000 तो पहले कर लिया था. 25-50 also we have booked right now. Let's see, in case we get filled at 25-200, probably then 25-200 call, if we get filled, we'll enter again. So guys, we have been filled towards call side also at this candle, and right now 25-200 call we've entered. Let's see how does it go. We're keeping a tight stop loss in case Nifty bounces back again to 25-200. We might get stopped out. So guys, we might get stopped out towards the call, 25-200 call. That is why, to balance it out, we have entered 25-150 put as well. We entered at 7, although it was available at 9 also, but we got a bit late in the execution. Let's see. I think we are about to be stopped out. And yes, we have been stopped out. How does 25-200 put looks like? Is there a chance? 25-200 put. 25. Guys, just see the strength. What kind of strength has come back? What kind of strength came back to Nifty as soon as it retested this 150 का आया, 150 से दोबारा सपोर्ट लिया एंड अगेन भाग गया वापस. तो लेवल्स का ये रोल है. Mind you, I am giving the disclaimer again. This is not my go-to strategy. This is just to demonstrate that how safely and with proper risk management an expiry can be traded. I think we are about to be booked out of 25-150 and 25-100 put. And we have been booked out of 25-100 put. Probably 25-150 will also be booked. And we are not going to take any further risk today. So far we have done what was required for today. But the most important thing is to not to overtrade, because overtrading, जैसा कि कल की वीडियो में हमने बताया, overtrading will kill your account. There is no need to take that additional risk. We'll book 25-150 put as well and then go to sleep. आज के लिए इतना ही. And yes, we have been booked out of 25-150 put as well. So guys, आज के लिए इतना ही. See you in another one. And it was a lovely expiry. Disclaimer again, this was just to demonstrate how expiry can be traded. This was not my go-to strategy, and that is why we traded with a single lot. So far so good. With this, I'll take your permission. You were listening to TradeInvestor. where we bring basics to brilliance. See you in the next one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.